Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a teleport script. It's going to be pretty simple. The method that we're going to be using is tweening. Mostly this method is used for any game that catches you from teleporting to one place to another very quickly, as of using your humanoid C-frame or position, teleporting to another one instantly. Um, but yeah, the tween does work for most games. If you do it too fast, example for using the time when tweening, going from one place to another, I'm pretty sure that can do, like, that can detect. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is mostly for I've seen this on jailbreak, so I just want to like show you guys how to do this. Called bypass teleport by doing the tween method. But yeah, let me get right into the video. But if you do want to download the script and get it straight away, you can just go into the description of this video right now, and there would be a link for Ty's link. You just go through there, and I'll show you an example right now. So once you guys click the link in the description right now where you guys want to download the script, but for this I'm just going to be using one of my old links and demonstrating and using as an example. But once you're here, it's going to look exactly like this. All you're going to do is press free access with ads, and you're going to do as what it says. I have an ad blocker, so I want to go turn that off right now. And what you're going to do is pause on all sites, and I'm literally just going to reset my thing, the browser, and we're going to come into here. What we're going to do is wait for these 5 seconds to go by. You can look around here, check anything out that interests you at all. And then you're going to come here, and then you're going to click an article or a topic or whatever you want, and you come here whatever you want. But once you can come out of that, and then you can continue to your script, and it should bring you to whatever you want, or it should pop up as a code that comes on the screen, or it's like a download. But yeah, this is how you do it. So the first thing that you guys want to do when you're teleporting somewhere, if you guys want to have multiple places to teleport to, you can do that. But for right now, I'm gonna make a table where I'm gonna store my locations where I want to teleport to. And what you want to store there is the what do you call it? You want to store the vector 3 or the C frame of that position. So right now I'm just gonna call this location 1, and this would equal a vector 3 for me. I just want to do that. If you don't know how to get your position, you can use set click. I think it's set clipboard or something. I'll get right to it right now. I'm pretty sure there is like a thing where it's like set clipboard. Let me go check on Synapse. I think this is only a function from your exploit, but I'm pretty sure there is one like here. Set clipboard is basically copying something to your computer. Not pasting, but it's copying, and then you can like paste right after. So yeah, there is something here. Let me actually put it here. Let me just comment this out. So I'm pretty sure if we do like, let me do this real quick. Actually, let me just do this real quick right here. So you go value right here. Do we have to put it as a string though? I don't know, because it did say a string. So in the to string, I would do. Let's see if this would work. Oh no, we gotta do character. Humanoid root part dot position. Alright, let me see if this works. Yeah, it does. Basically what I did here was I put the to string. Actually, let me check if we don't put it to to string. Let's see what the hell happens. Yeah, we do get a. Yeah, we do get an error. We gotta put that to a string. So putting that to a string, that would work. Yep. Yeah. Okay, that works. So you can get your position easily like that. So if you want to go to an area real quick, let's say this, and then we execute this script, which gets the position of your humanoid, your humanoid root part, which is basically your character's position here. If we get that, right, copies here, and then we can use that as a location that you want to go to. So boom, right there, that's a location. So I'm gonna use that for right now. There is another way of getting the position, which is coming into here, which is a little easier, I'd say. But the other way is just, I guess, a little easier. So yeah, you come here, Control A, and then Control C, copy, and then paste it into the table. Let's uncomment this. So we could put that into here, right? When we got our little position that is pretty long. So once we got our thing here, our little position, let's make something. So let's get the tween service, right? We'll just call this tween s. More specific right there. So we can do get service tween service. Now we will be making tween info. This gets the info of when tweening. So if we do tween info.new, this first argument will be the time. So going from one location to another, we want it to be how long we want it to be. So going from one location to another, it'll take 1 second because I put it to 1. Now if I do 15, it will take 15 seconds to get there. So we will do enum.easing, I think easing is like that, style.linear. We want it to be linear, we want it to go straight, not in some fucking wonky way that you want it to go. Unless if you do, that's not my problem. Next, let's get our local player because we will check if we have our character. We'll just do it more simple here. Local player. Alright, now let's actually make the function where it works. So function, I'm gonna call this bypass teleport, I guess. I'm not sure. Let's have the value of here, the 3D value. And alright. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna be converting that 3D the vector 3 into a C frame. So we're gonna do new, and then we just put the value into here since we will be calling this function and using teleport table dot location, which is this here. Converting it into a C frame, and we would do local A. This will be creating the like the thing that we will need to play the tween, or as you would say, like animation. I'm not sure. It's like playing an animation. You're just creating a tween. So we would call this tween service right here, and then we make create. And then creating it, we will do. Actually, let me actually fix this because when we call this function, we want our humanoid root part to be available, or our character. So we could do players dot local player dot character. So if our character is true, and if game dot character find first child, Jesus, what am I typing? Humanoid root part, then let me put an end here. Doing this will check if there's a character and a humanoid. Who the fuck keeps texting me? Hold on. So, tween service we created, and then we want to get our player. Oh, I could have just done this. Like, what am I doing? My bad. LP is we already made a variable for it to make it shortened. So local A, this is creating the tween service that we need. So we will do LP .character .humanoid root part. this is what we want to move, which is your basically the base of your character, of the model character basically. I'll just do this so I can make more space. So comma, so this is the first argument right here. Now our second argument, we will be using the tween info right here. So we'll grab this, space it out so so you guys can see. And now lastly would be the table and what you want to do. So we want the C frame of this humanoid root part, our model, our primary part of our model, the character. We want it, the C frame to equal this C frame. Not really hard to explain, but yeah. So third argument, second argument, and first argument. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I think right after we can just call like to play it. What the fuck? Play. Like that. I'm pretty sure that's it. Let me just put it how it's supposed to do. How it's supposed to be. I think, yeah, I think this is it. Anyways, let's just call this thing and see if it works. Already, my bad. So we would get from the table and then location 1 like this. So teleport table location 1, which is this 3D, comes into here, checks if if we're basically alive and have the humanoid root part that we want to move, and we convert the vector 3 to a C frame. And I'm pretty sure you could do position. I'm not 100%, but I just did C frame because I seen C frame being used. And then we make the Tween service, we create it, and then we play it. I will check this out right now. Let me check. So I'm gonna hit execute, and we do move there. No errors and no nothing. So I did execute it, and if you guys want to like check, I'm pretty sure there's a way of doing this. Completed. I'm not 100%. I'm pretty sure though. Completed. Wait, no, it would be a wait because it's waiting for it to complete. I'm pretty sure. Let's just do a simple thing like teleporting done. See if it works. Okay, testing. Okay, testing out script right now. Alright. And we do get the print about it saying teleporting done. But yeah guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.